So Michelle's gone. She's on a pit bull rescue. This dog was running around with no leash, no collar. Oh, psycho. It's probably just a good dog. It knows where it lives. What are you doing? See, she's behind me now. She's in full rescue mode right now. God. So now I'm in a vehicle. I gotta join in on the dog rescue here that's going on, which there's no way this dog's chilling with her because it didn't want no parts of us. You know when a dog is scared. That's what makes me think that dog's definitely gonna run because it's scared. I don't know why they get scared, dogs. They're supposed to feel. But we do our walk in the morning. We've been doing a walk. Still out of breath because I'm fat. But guys, like honestly, the dog lady, what is she doing? She's out here running around the streets, chasing down this dog. Running down the streets. No one will ever be. Let's turn the camera on. Crazy lady. Got a tan dog. Michelle walks in alleys. She'll go in people's driveways. She'll walk in people's front doors. Like the lady could be like, hi, ma'am, what are you doing here? This is our dog. Okay, I just wanted to make sure. I saw this dog walking around the property. I just wanted to make sure that you guys owned it. That's Michelle. In a nutshell. Now this dog was here last time I seen it, so God knows where they've gone. There she goes. Look at her. She's crazy. Look at her. She's like right now. People are calling the police. These people in Florida have guns. This lady's going through people's property. Look at her. This dog's running with her now. We have a dog now. I don't think she knows it's me. She has a leash. Where did she acquire a leash? She actually commandeered a leash. Did you commandeer a leash?
She gave me it, that lady. I'm gonna get it.
She ain't getting this dog, guys. This dog don't want no parts of it. And there's dogs barking, there's pit bulls everywhere. She's peeing. She pees like a boy. She's clearly a girl. Oh, he's chasing birds and all. This dog's bad. Look, she's chasing birds. She's chasing birds. You getting in? Okay. Let me pull over. Move. Michelle, move. Go, go, go. There's people behind me. If we're gonna act crazy, let's get out of people's way. There she goes. She's jogging now. These people, I don't know if they live here. I'm not really sure what's going on. Guys, she's running. She's running after this dog. It's gonna go into the highway soon, so it's not far from the highway. I'm gonna try and shoot up ahead of it. He's running. She's running. Look, he's just chasing shit around. This dog's bad. Look at it. It just chased a bunch of squirrels. Now it's coming back for Michelle to bite her. Hey, baby girl. Got this bitch. She's crazy. She's as crazy as it comes. Now, what are we gonna do with this dog? Crazy people have done some of the craziest things. This woman just chased this dog down that was literally sprinting after other animals. So yeah, I'm shooting home. It's 8:12. I'll be in the shower in 15 minutes. Michelle caught the dog somehow. I have no idea how. That's insane. I've given up so long ago. You gotta be really crazy to just keep going like that. But we're gonna put it on Facebook and see if somebody owns this dog. I'll put it on like the Merritt Island thing. Because this dog has to be a Merritt Island dog, right? Oh God, I hit that squirrel? Did I just hit a squirrel? I swear. Oh my god, it was under my tire. Definitely was under the tire. Yeah, this dog's crazy though. Here she comes. She's